Hi, this is John Krupa. I'm the president of Italian Speaker Imports. We are the USA partner of FBT Loudspeakers, which we're very proud to be. And you are in my office. We hope that you're all doing well in this unprecedented, tough times. We realize that the world of tomorrow might have a very different look than the world that we used to know. And with that in mind, that productions and events might have a very different look to them, I'm here to introduce a solution to you, and that is the Fbt CS-1000. So my shoulder's bothering me a little, so let me have my daughter Abby. Can you bring it on up? This is the CS-1000, which we're going to talk to you about today. Thank you, Abby. Appreciate that. Oh, excellent. Thanks, Abs. Appreciate that. All right, so this is the CS-1000. It stands for Complete System 1000 total watts. I'm just going to set it up for you here by pressing this little release button, taking the top satellite unit out. There's also a little, I call it a little goodie bag that's also hidden in the back. And within the goodie bag, I'm going to now take out the pole with which we're going to put the satellite. There's a couple different ways to assemble it, but I'm going to kind of put the two pieces together first, and then after that we're going to screw it in here. So just take me a second, screw that in. Let's screw the whole stand in to the unit itself. All right, now that we've done that, we're going to look at the top piece here. We're going to loosen this guy up. You'll notice that this particular piece has three little nubbies there, and those correlate to these three here. So we're going to actually lock those in here. You'll notice that with this button here, it locks into place, and now we're ready to go. It comes with an NL4 to NL4 connector, so we're going to plug one end into the speaker itself. And we're going to plug the other end in to the amplifier module and lock them in. There's a lot of great products in this subclass of loudspeakers that's being referred to as like micro columns is the name that I happen to like. And a lot of these competitors of ours are wonderful products that sound great, a lot of great features. So how do we differentiate ourselves from the pack? Well, I like to say, and I do have proof to back it up, that we are the one professional model in this class, and I'll explain to you why. One of the many features that makes the CS-1000 more professional than our competitors is the mounting of the satellite. So here on the pole, you'll notice that we can adjust the pole height to a number of different sizes. Once we find the size that we like, we simply just insert the rod and lock it into place. One of the other very cool features about the satellite and the pole interacting together is that actually you can adjust the angle of declination by 15 degrees or angle of inclination by 10 degrees. So why is this important? Why is this so much better than our competitors? Well, by raising up the satellite to higher heights than our competitors and then down angling with that button I just showed you, you can cover larger crowds. One other really cool feature about the mounting mechanism of the satellite of the CS-1000 is actually the fact that you can combine multiple units together. Abby, can you hand me that, please? Thank you. So what we're looking at here is called a VTJ-1000. And with a VTJ-1000, you can actually join two of the satellites together simply by dropping the bar into place, putting another one on top, and now we can adjust the angles between them. This allows you to cover more people, and the coupling of the two units gives you more SPL, so you can play to larger places louder. So what if you found a really great permanent installation for a CS-1000? Well, our competitors don't have an answer to that, but we do. Abby, can you bring me the wall mount kit, please? Thank you. So with the VTW-1000, you can wall mount the satellite of a CS-1000. You see the same three nubbies here to lock in there. And then on the opposite side, we have a wall plate where you simply just put 4 bolts attaching it to the wall. So you take your 3 nubbies, you drop it in either to the top and bottom, and you're all set to wall mount. What you're looking at now is the back panel of the CS-1000. I mentioned before that CS-1000 stands for Complete System 1000 watts. What I didn't mention is that 400 watts are going to the satellite when 600 watts are powering up the single 12-inch subwoofer. Also very cool is you can independently control the volume level to the complete system, but then you can independently adjust the level to the subwoofer. Also on the back panel of the CS-1000 is a DSP knob where you can turn to one of 8 presets which are listed for you right on the back panel in the silkscreen. So not only are the satellites stackable, but you'll notice that there's little cutouts on the subwoofer for you to stack the second subwoofer. When you're stacking subwoofers is when you can also stack your tops. Okay, so let's run some specs on the system. We have 1,000 watts of total power, providing 129 dB max output, 1 meter. We also have 110 degree wide dispersion, 30 degree on the vertical. And once again, by doing what I showed you before, getting it up high and angling it down, you can cover a much bigger crowd of people. It's a very versatile system in terms of the specs, very versatile system in terms of how it sounds. So the one thing I can't show you on the video is how it sounds, but let me tell you a couple things. We're the only system that is manufactured exclusively in Italy by craftsmen. I refer you to a great video made by our friend DJ Brian Red about the manufacturing of the CS-1000, so you can see it made from beginning to end at our factory in Italy. The quality of the 6 3-inch transducers on top and the 1 12-inch transducer on bottom are far superior to many of our competitors. This is the only true professional product in its class. This is the CS-1000, and thank you for watching this video.